my KCET 2025 aspirants, so you are just left with one day for the big exam, right? 16th of April, you have physics and chemistry. Now, many of you are asking in the comment section, ma'am, my PCA mark is this much, how much I need to score, how much I need to score. So in today's video, I'll be telling you what is a safe mark, that at least what much minimum you should get so that you can get into the top colleges of Karnataka without any doubt, without any confusion. You won't be there. You will definitely get in the top colleges, right? So that safe mark, that minimum, bare minimum marks that you must get, that we are going to discuss, okay? And I will also be telling you subject wise how much marks you can get in each of the subjects and also the strategy to get that, right? So let's get started with the first thing, that is what all things we are going to discuss in our today's class. So first we'll be talking about 23-24 analysis. Next, what is a safe rank for 2025 KCET and how to achieve this target. Yeah, I'll not only be telling you okay, go and get this mark, but I'll also be telling you a proper strategy to get that marks. Okay, so now let's analyze 2023 and 2024 paper. So if you see that in between 0 to 20 marks, okay, there are almost 10,000 students, okay. Next 20 to 40, almost 40,000 students. 40 to 60, 70,000 students. Now I tell you, if you are getting in these range, okay, then it is I can say not a good marks. Okay, you won't be able to get into a good college with this mark. Okay, so definitely 40, 60, these are not very good marks. And if I see 60 to 80, majority of the students, almost 1 lakh plus students come in this range. Okay, so that is also not, this is also I can say a danger zone. Okay, if you're getting around this marks, then definitely you have to improve, and you can improve in this 2 days also. Okay, now I can say if you're getting between 80 to 90, so 80 to 900, almost 25,000 students get. Then 100 to 120, almost 10,000, 120 to 140, 5,000, and 140 plus, almost 500 students get. Now this year, if you see in 2025, okay, nearly 3.5 lakhs students are appearing the exam, okay, but you don't have to worry in this 3.5 lakhs, okay. You have to target in this range, okay, 80 to 100. This is a good range, so I'll be telling you how you can get. So from this 3.5 lakh, I can say almost 2.5 lakhs are actually serious, and 1 lakh students are just giving the papers for attempting. They are not even prepared for that, right? So your competition is not with this 3.5 lakh students. You have to just do your best, and I'm telling you, it is very, very easy. If you just do proper strategically studying, you can easily get. Okay, so now after having a quick analysis of this one, now I'll be telling you what is a safe mark here. So if you are getting 280, 285 in that, in case out of 300 in your PU to PCM, okay, then you can target somewhere between 90 to 100. Okay, now if you are asking like, ma'am, what if it is 280 or 270, how much less you are going towards PU2, there that much 5 plus 5 you have to add here. Like for example, I can say that if you are getting 285, then 90 is a good mark, for example, or 90, I'll say 100. Okay, just a minute. Yes, so okay, so around 95 is a good mark to get a good college. Now I'm telling, if you're getting these, you will be, your rank can be under 10,000. Okay, and if you're getting a rank under 10k, then you can get into top 10 colleges of Karnataka. Okay, so 10k rank will be a decent rank, below 10k will be a decent rank. So for that, if you're getting 285 in your boards and 95 in your KCET, that will work. Now your question may be like 280, suppose you are getting, then here you have to increase plus 500, 275, then here it should be 105, right? Similarly 270, then it has to be 110. So basically you have to target somewhere between 100 plus to be on the safer side. Okay, so what is my safe marks for KCET 2025? You have to target 100 plus. Okay, 100 plus, 95 to 100 plus will be a safe mark. I hope that is clear. And now let me tell you how you can achieve this. Okay, this is also very, very easy to achieve if you plan accordingly, if you strategically work on the subjects. Okay, so let us see how can we achieve this. So you should have a plan subject wise, okay, subject wise, which is your strength subject. So generally I feel that physics, chemistry is the easiest for most of the students, then we have physics and then maths. This is what I feel, okay, but if it may not be true for many of the students might feel that mathematics is very easy, or some of them might feel chemistry is very difficult. Okay, so you have to arrange this according to you. So according to my strength and weakness, I have given a number to myself that I can score 40 plus in chemistry. Now this 40 plus you can easily get if you just do PU2 chapters. Okay, if you just focus on PU2 chapters, you will be able to get 40 plus, that too very easily without any problem, like without any confusion, you can get 40 plus in chemistry. Now coming to physics, if you are weak at physics or if you are moderate in physics, then you can target somewhere around 35 plus. So I got 40 plus 30, almost 75, 85, 95. Okay, so I can say 35 plus 25 is how much? 60 plus 40 is around 100. So this will be my target marks if I am weak in mathematics, I am very strong in chemistry, and I am average in physics. Now you can change this number according to you, okay, according to your strength and weakness, and have a subject wise strategy. How can I get this mark? And let me tell you, you can get easily 35 plus in all subjects, okay, if you just do PU2 chapters. If you just focus on PU2 chapters, do all the chapters you do, revise the concepts, do the previous year questions and our series if you are following in YouTube, then easily you can get 35 plus in all the subjects. Now if you are getting 35 in all the subject, okay, so that itself will give you 105 marks, which is a very, very good mark if you are having around 280 something in your board exams. Okay, now coming to next, how can we achieve this? So first you have to focus on the high weightage topics. As I told you, high weightage topics, so you have to do PU2 chapters. Okay, after that what you have to do, last 5 years of previous year question. If you just see total, if I see physics, I can say 10 important chapters, chemistry 10, chemistry I can take around 8 chapters are highly important. Okay, physics I have, just a minute, sorry, yes, okay, okay, just a minute, yes. So physics I have 10 chapters. Okay, I can say in chemistry high weightage you can do 8 chapters, in mathematics also you can do 7 chapters. Okay, so almost 25 chapters. If you just do these 25 chapters properly, when I'm saying do all these 25 chapters, means you should do previous year questions and you should do more question practice. Okay, now if you focus on this one, then definitely you will be able to get 100 plus in all the total 100 plus very easily you can score it, right? Now let me tell you what all things you can do to do that. So we have this top 30 MCQ series. Okay, so please watch this series. These are all chapter wise. PU2 all the chapters are completed, so you can just search Diksha Karnataka. Okay, and then just if you scroll down you can find top 30 MCQs for KCET 2025, chemistry, physics, maths and bio, and in all of these playlist the PU2 chapters are completely done in detail. Okay, so that is why just go and watch these top 30 questions of all the chapters and finish it as soon as possible. Okay, now once if you're done this and if you still have time, or if you have watched this before and you want to do some more question practice, you can see this rank booster series where we have come up with a compilation of all the compilation videos are here. So you can see already I have done a video where this was the part 1, 45 plus marks guaranteed complete revision. Here entire physical chemistry I have revised with some question practice also. Okay, then even tomorrow morning 9 AM we will be having another live session where we are going to do organic, basically organic and inorganic. So if you do these 2 videos, easily you can get 35 plus, 40 plus, and if you do very religiously even 45 plus is possible. Similarly you can see Ankit sir, math sir has already already completed this live session, you can watch this video and you can easily guarantee 30 to 35 marks. And if you follow religiously, even 45 plus is possible. Soumik sir's physics and bio ma'am, Jasmine ma'am's classes will also be there. So you can just watch these compilation videos and boost your scores up to 35 plus, right? So basically what you have to do at this point of time is don't get panic, okay? You just have to get 90 plus out of 180, just 50% you have to get, and that too in 3 different subjects you have to collectively get that, right? So that you can easily do if you prioritize. Suppose if you're very good in chemistry, prioritize to get more in chemistry, give more time for chemistry. If you are weak in maths, then leave maths and just do the important chapters. If you are very good in physics, do physics more. So just don't panic at this point of time. Properly plan which chapter how much I can get. Just analyze your preparation, which chapter how much can I get to get around 90 plus. That will do your work, and I hope all of you will understand this and will work accordingly. And that's all in this video, students. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel because many important videos are coming soon in this channel for all of you. Okay, that's all, and do subscribe the channel.